When you go in there, we can get it in the potty.
Do you want to sit on it?
Here. Yeah, it goes on the ground. Here. Let's try it. It's okay. You gotta put it on the ground and sit on it.
You don't want that,
Here,
please.
try it. Here. Yay!
You're gonna go potty in it.
What is that, Rita? Is that your new potty? What a big girl.
Yay!
Yay!
Now all you gotta do is learn how to take off your diaper.
Don't use it like that.
No.
No, honey, you gotta put this on here.